GPT Vision AI clones $5,341 per day sites with your affiliate link. 2-click free traffic robot face right arrow curving down. 1-click GPT-4 Vision clones $5,000 per day sites. Step 1. Login and launch. Enter the portal and engage the trifecta of ACE, GPT-4, GPT-4 Vision and DAL, preloaded and trained on 2024 profiteering. Step 2. 1-click clone. Choose a high-earning website template or input a URL to clone with your affiliate links using our one-click technology. Step 3. Activate traffic. Deploy your AI-crafted site across the web and start receiving a flood of free traffic with just one more click. Affiliate money goggles. Let's break down how effortless this is. Log in and set the AI Cloner X to clone high-earning sites. Watch as it mimics the site and inserts your affiliate links automatically. Now, for the magic. Simply enter the URL of your chosen profit pulling, or select from our preloaded $500 per day sites. Watch it recreate and enhance the page with the power of GPT-4 Vision AI, GPT 4.5 Turbo and DAL 3. Cloner X will precisely replicate the site and personalize it for you, featuring your affiliate links and opt-in codes. You get a ready-to-deploy super site, the original site along with your added elements, now ready to generate commissions and capture leads. Bottom line. This is the next-gen approach to affiliate marketing that sets you ahead. Jaw-dropping tech stack number 1, GPT-4 with Vision Site Cloner. AI like none other. Clones and recodes any website you give it, with your affiliate link, buy link, or opt-in code preloaded. Tech stack number 2, DAL 3.0, instant graphical flourishes. Next, AI Cloner X scans for images and remakes them with DAL 3, before giving you two choices, download or let us host. Tech stack number 3, one-click Traffic X40, built-in free traffic blasts. Final touch, unleash a flood of targeted visitors without spending a dime on ads, all with one click. Your final move? Imagine spying a profitable affiliate site, landing page, VSL, or opt-in page. You're about to reach for the $300 per month website builder or $500 designer. But then you remember, you have the AI Cloner X, and so instead. You enter the URL of the site, click clone, and watch as GPT-4, GPT-4 Vision and DAL combine to rebuild the site. With coding, design, styling, graphics and hosting, all done for you. The AI even lets you get 40x traffic from just a single click. Bottom line, all it takes is a few clicks to unleash your AI money sites into the wild. What you get with AI Cloner X today? Instant access at a special price. AI website cloning technology. Transforming your online earnings, we guarantee it. Explore the capabilities of AI Cloner X in your home for 60 days. Browse the quick start guide. Leverage the AI. Command the software to replicate any profitable website in mere moments. Witness just how quick and effortless it is to commission it, with AI Cloner X. If you're not thoroughly convinced of the value, simply reach out and your investment will be completely returned. You have the freedom to opt out anytime, for any reason. That's how confident we are in this breakthrough. So why delay? This is 100% risk-free. What are you waiting for? Clone high-earning websites with AI now, seize the opportunity before it's too late. Frequently asked questions. A. AI Cloner X is a revolutionary app that clones successful websites with just a URL, using cutting-edge GPT-4 Vision AI. Either import your own URL or choose one of our preloaded DFY sites to clone, then watch as the AI replicates the page, but with your link, buy button, or opt-in code built in. Next, publish to the page to the built-in hosting, or export to your own domain. Don't like something? Hit respin or copy-paste the flawless code and get GPT to edit it, with natural language, no buggy website editors or code. When you send the page to the AI, you can also instruct the AI to insert your affiliate link or opt-in code seamlessly into your cloned site. You literally write in natural language, switch the links in with my link which is XYZ. It's that simple, and no complex thinking is required, GPT does the heavy lifting. Plus, as a special bonus I'll include detailed training on why elite 6- and 7-figure marketers use GPT to do advanced editing of any website, this could kill your site builder this year. Consider yourself forewarned. Yes, AI Cloner X comes equipped with traffic generation AI tech, blasting your site across social networks with a single click. Hey, the AI apologizes to the web industry, but it is what it is. With AI Cloner X, you can forget expensive designers and web design tools, as the AI rebuilds pages in seconds. AI Cloner X features a database of sites that have made us over $100,000. You can choose and clone the ones you like. Then edit with natural language, to turn your barely English babbles into masterful GPT-made markup code. Let LLMs kick down the web design front door and run back out with all the goodies. Just log in, select a profitable website to clone or use your own, and hit the traffic button for instant results. Then immerse yourself in my additional Editing with AI nerd training, because this is how elite profiteers page build in 2024, by talking in plain English, then letting the GPT AI models do the nitty-gritty coding malarkey. Start cloning.